How to buy Lumo Labs token. So this token came under the symbol of Lumo. Now before you start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before you invest in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards or crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token, it's available on MEXC. So I will show you how to buy this token on your account. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account. Now, if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now, click on the search bar and type Limo, as you can see, and click on this pair. After that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, what you need to do, just click on limit. Now, here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paying of that USDT on your account. Now, after that, click on buy Lumo. So this is how to buy Lumo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.